In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan weekly work in Goodday. We'll walk through a simple way to focus only on the tasks that matter for your current week, so you can stay organized and avoid feeling overwhelmed. I'll guide you step by step, and you can follow along in your own Goodday workspace. First, open Goodday and go to the My Tasks section. This is your personal hub where all tasks assigned to you are collected. You can usually find My Tasks in the main navigation menu. Click on it and give it a moment to load. Once it's open, you should see a list of tasks that belong to you, possibly from different projects or workspaces. Next, look for the small gear icon. This is typically the settings or configuration button for the current view. Clicking this gear lets you adjust how your tasks are displayed, including which fields you see and how the list is filtered. Go ahead and click on the gear icon to open the view settings. Inside the settings panel, find and click on the option called Dates. This section controls which date fields are visible and how they're used. By focusing on dates, we can narrow your task list to show only those items that fall within a specific time frame, like your current week. Once you're in the Dates section, you'll see controls for the start date. Click on the Start Date field. This is where you set the beginning of the week you want to plan. For example, if you plan your work from Monday to Friday, choose the Monday of the week you're organizing. When you click the Start Date field, a calendar should appear, allowing you to pick the exact date. After that, click on the End Date field. This defines the last day of your weekly planning period. Again, use the calendar that appears to select the appropriate end date, such as the Friday or Sunday of that same week, depending on how your team defines a work week. Finally, enter the specific dates for the week you want to focus on. Make sure the start and end dates cover the full range of days you're planning. Once these dates are set,